guys, it's Pope. Just doing a review for my friends of this new harness that I got from ThinkPet. It is just the cutest shade of sky blue. Brings out my eyes. I used to come play here a lot when I was little. I haven't been here in a while. It's this park near where I live. But it was a really sunny day, so we wanted to come test out the new harness. One thing I will say about this harness is that it has a lot of wiggle room, which is great for someone like me who likes to move around and pull and explore in every direction. And it's really easy for your parents to make it fit snug if you wanted to. There's a bunch of straps that you can move around and make it fit you perfectly. I'm a little afraid of the water, so this part of my walk was not my favorite, but we kept it short. Yep, that's enough. Back to the trail. Back to the trail. This trail is really one of my favorites. I really missed it. I had such a nice time just trotting around, exploring nature with my parents and my new ThinkPet harness. Woohoo! The nice thing about this harness is that you can wear it both ways. So whether you like the thicker part on top or the thinner part on top, I personally like the thicker part up top. And it has a little handle if my parents need to get an extra hold of me or something like that. That does happen from time to time. Look at this cute little ThinkPet logo. And here is the one clip if my parents wanted to wear it that way, but since I'm wearing it with the thick side on top, I'll just clip it like that. Perfect. Time to go. Woo! I guess we're going a little bit slower than I thought, but that's okay. My mom and dad do let me run a little bit, which is fun. My mom's telling me to sit. I'm acting like I don't hear her. Oh, this is when the handle comes in handy. This is just the perfect harness for a big man like... This is the type of harness that I could wear every single day. Thank you so much, ThinkPet. I love it.